High-speed train in Sweden. The SJ high-speed train X2000 is very comfortable and reaches a maximum speed of 125 miles per hour. The X2000 runs between the main cities in Sweden, Gothenburg, Malmö, Stockholm, and it also connects Sweden with Denmark and Norway. The SJ Train X2000 is equipped with 2 travel classes, first and second, a bistro serving snacks and drinks, free Wi-Fi, comfortable seats and power outlets at every seat. In first class you have free newspapers, coffee, tea, water, sweets and fruit. It is self-service. You can also order a meal when you book the train. You can choose different meals. If you have a first-class ticket, you have access to the SJ Lounge at Stockholm Central Station, where you can enjoy free drinks and food. You can find more railway videos here on the channel.